Good day, campers. Today's project is I'm relocating the porch light on my toy hauler down closer to the door. In my case, it's because I'm adding an awning over this door. You may have another reason. What I've done is I found a coat hanger, pushed it in this hole in between the foam insulation, styrofoam insulation down the wall. Took my stud finder and I found the cross beam. Then took my stud finder and thought I located the coat hanger, drilled this hole, used the coat hanger as a snake to pull the wires through. Next, I'm going to connect the wires and install the light down here. I've soldered these wires together inside this opening. I use little shrink solder connectors. I'll link to those in the description. Next thing I've done is I've laid out where the light's gonna go in its new spot. I used the rubber base, marked center, used my level and marked it level, and then I will drill pilot holes for each of the mounting holes. Wires are connected to the light. The light's installed. I put a little caulking around the screw holes and caulking above and all the way around the hole I drilled for the wires. My next step is I'm going to clean up, fill the holes where the old light used to be, and then I have a clever little sign I'm going to mount to cover that whole old installation up. As a precaution, I filled in all the old screw holes and the wire access hole for the old light. That way, once the sign is on, I don't have to worry about water leaking in. I will also seal behind the sign. And that finishes the project. The sign is mounted using 2 black screws. I've used caulking behind the sign to protect everything behind it. As you can see, the light works. It's mounted and also sealed from behind. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.